Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're feeling well, and today we're gonna have an unboxing of KLIM Cyclone laptop cooling stand. So let's start by opening the box and see what we got inside. Before we do that, let me tell you some product features on this KLIM Cyclone cooler stand. You got 5 quite powerful fans to create maximum cooling. You got eye-catching lighting, an adjustable speed and brightness, 8 adjustable heights, and retainer to keep it from falling, and ultra-large metal shade for added cooling. This stand cooler run on 5 voltage and 4 watts power. The color is blue and the material is ABS plus metal. The product size will be 410 times 292 times 29 millimeters. Okay, so let's open the box to see what we got inside. So inside here we got an envelope from KLIM with join our tester program and get new product at heavily discounted price. This can be used in France, USA, UK, Germany, Spain and Italy. We got KLIM Cyclone user manual, and we got only 3 steps to follow. Put the laptop cooler on the desktop or table and then put the laptop on top of it. Connect the USB cable from the cooler to the laptop. Turn the switch to choose the rotation speed. We got some cool stickers and we got some thank you note in different languages. Okay, let's see what this unit has. So it's the unit, nothing else. Okay, at the back of the unit we got the USB cable. And here we got the adjustable A height stands. And I believe you can use this one here to stop the laptop falling off. Okay, let's power these things and see what we got here. Here on the right we got 2 USB ports and we got 2 switch controllers. So I bought this KLIM Cyclone stand cooler for my 17-inch laptop. So you got a nice fit here, it doesn't fall off. Let's power it and see the sound of this thing. So don't worry about losing one USB port on your computer, because then you got another one here that you can use it for charging your phone or different things. So let's power the laptop first and then we're going to see how big a sound this stand cooler is making. So now it's on full power. So this is the sound the stand cooler is making. You got a little bit of sound there, but if you ask me, it's quiet. Yeah, the laptop is very cool and I like it. Stable on the table. Yeah, it's a good product and it's recommended. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I see you back next time. And I hope you like my videos and subscribe to my channel and give us a like and share on social media. And until next time, all the best. I see you soon.